During the summer vacation, after the annual examination of 4th standard, we were given 1 month's training for receiving the first Holy Communion. Reverend sisters were giving the training. I think there were about more than 60 students because both the classes were full with children. I could only attend a few days, and the day for receiving the Holy Communion was fixed on a Saturday. All the children came to the church wearing a special uniform of white dress, having a bouquet in their hands, and of course a coronet or a small crown of flowers on their heads. But I didn't have any of these things. Luckily, before a few months, a cousin of mine, means my father's sister's son, had come from Malabar. So, seeing my miserable condition, he had given me an old dress, an old dhoti, and a tarlatan shirt. And he was in his early 20s. So, this dress was no match for me in any way in measurement. But wearing it, I also went to the church to receive the Holy Communion all alone. All the children had come there with their parents and relatives, but I was there all alone. So the ceremony of receiving Holy Communion got over, and all the children assembled to take a common photo. We had to give 50 paise for this, but I could not give it, so I was excluded. I was just standing alone in the corner in the courtyard, whereas all the children were standing on benches to take the photo. Nobody called me or invited me because nobody could ever recognize or identify me as a student or as a person who is as a candidate for receiving the first Holy Communion. I maybe looked like a beggar in the old rags or in the old dress. After taking the photo, all the children were invited to have the coffee, or so to say breakfast, a party. For that also, from every family, the children had brought something prepared by their parents. And since I didn't have anything in my hand, I was not permitted to attend that party also. So I was standing there watching everything. When the party was over, the parents took them all to their own houses. But I stood there, anxious to know what the children were eating. So I found two ladies collecting the leftovers and taking them as waste to throw away. In those days, there were no toilets or bathrooms. A few coconut trees were there, and under these coconut trees, the boys and the men used to urinate. So they were going to throw this waste under the coconut trees. So when they went away, I was just lingering around. So I slowly went there and stooping, took a few pieces. They were biscuits. I had never seen biscuits or anything before. So I started eating with so much relish. I filled my stomach. I was not bothered whether these biscuits and food items were thrown in the mud where the people used to pass urine. I didn't have any of those thoughts of revulsion, but I took piece by piece and I ate everything and filled my stomach. And the bishop could not come on that day due to some personal reason, so it was announced that the sacrament of confirmation will be given on the next Saturday. But I was not permitted to attend or go to church on that day. So till today, I haven't received the sacrament of confirmation.